everyone. I wanted to do our first review lesson on the area model of multiplication. Remember, this is for 25 dojo points. So if you follow the lesson and then do the assignment afterwards, you can email it to me or we can share it on Class Dojo. And I'm going to show you guys how to set up kit accounts so that you can keep them in your portfolio. All right, now for the lesson. So we're going to start by separating our numbers out into place value. So we're going to take 20 and 5, and we know that that equals 20 plus 5. Then we have 32, or 30 plus 2. So in the area model, we simply multiply each numbers by their place values. So we have 30 times 20. We could write it 20 times 30 because we know that it doesn't matter what order that we multiply them in. Now here's the trick. I hope you remember this. We can just multiply 3 times 2. We know 3 times 2 is 6. And then we add our zeros back in because we have to keep the place value. So we have how many zeros? 1, 2 zeros. So we can just write 30 times 20 equals 600. 6 and then 2 zeros. Next, we're going to multiply 30 times 5. Or 35 times. You can say it that way. So again, we can just say 3 times 5 is 15. And then we have to add that 0 back in because you can't lose your place value. Okay. The next step is we're going to multiply 20 times 2. And again, we just say 2 times 2 is 4. And we add our 0 in because we have to keep our place value. And finally, 5 times 2. 5 times 2, or 5 2 times, you can say it that way, equals 10. And now we simply add the products together. So we have 600, because 20 times 30 is 600. We have 150, because 5 times 30 equals 150. We have 40, because 20 times 2 equals 40. And finally, we have 10, because 5 times 2 equals 10. Now we add those together. 5 and 4 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. So we know that 25 times 32 equals 800. And there you have it, the place value model. Actually, we call it the area model. I think it's place value model, but we'll go with area model. Now you can come up with your own 5 problems, or I'll write some problems for you. Either way is fine. You can choose your own problems. All right, these ones. And then remember, you'll have to turn those in to get the 25 dojo point credits. And each day you'll have a different lesson of something that we've done in class to review. And if you complete it and turn it into me, you can get 25 dojo points a day. I bet you can figure out how many that is for the whole week if you do the whole week's worth. So 32 times 72, 40 times 32. Boy, I'm liking that 32 today, aren't I? How about 63 times 27 and 49, ooh, the 9's times 2, I bet you remember those, times 26 and 68 times 15. So there's 5 problems you can do, or you can create your own 5 problems. Once again, boys and girls, you have to turn them in to get credit. I hope you'll take advantage of this and this review of the area model of multiplication. See you later.